Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session. In today's episode, we are reviewing SiteGround. What is SiteGround? What are its features? Why you should opt for it? What are the pros? What are the cons? And finally the pricing. I'm gonna share all the details, but let's just start by saying that it's one of the best hosting platform that you can select for your projects. Let's go ahead and kickstart this. So SiteGround offers high performance hosting with exceptional support and reliability. If you are looking for fast and secure web hosting, I think you should consider SiteGround. SiteGround is built for speed and reliability. SiteGround also offers managed WordPress hosting with automatic updates and security. Its ultra fast performance and the SLA promises up to 99.9% uptime. The plans are affordable. You can just start by $299 per month and you can grow from there. You can get expert help and support 24/7 through chat, phone or ticketing system. You also get the free daily backups and security first approach. Now, SiteGround, like I said, it's one of the top rated web hosting provider known for its speed, security and outstanding customer support. If you are looking to set up a blog, e-commerce or any project online, I think SiteGround offers all the tools and apps that you need. It has managed WordPress hosting, one-click installer, WooCommerce and cloud support. It also offers built-in caching, SSD storage and Google Cloud infrastructure for superior performance. It offers daily backups, SSL certificate and advanced security features. So, like I told you, SiteGround relies on Google Cloud powered hosting, which means that you get blazing fast speed. You have one-click WordPress installations with managed updates, security, live support, easy website migration with their automated SiteGround migrator tool. What are some of the cons? Higher renewal rates. Again, when you join with an introductory price, that price will vary the next year when you are trying to renew or whenever it expires. There is no free domain included with most hosting plans, so you need to purchase the domain separately. Limited lower storage on lower tier plans. Obviously, if you require higher storage or higher bandwidth, go with the higher plans. The website you'll go is siteground.com. Now you can go ahead, explore web hosting, cloud hosting and reseller hosting. Like I said, the plan starts at $299 per month, and this is one of the most reliable, most trusted websites that you can choose. It has easy to use file manager also, through which you can not only handle WordPress and WooCommerce, but you can host your own projects too. You can also select email marketing. Again, that's something that you need to opt in into your plan. So when you click on start now and you can compare, you have all the different hosting plans that are available and you can check all the features that are listed here like startup, grow big and go Greek. Okay, so support I talked about. You have the live chat. Either you can use that option or you can call in or log a ticketing mechanism. All right, that's all about SiteGround that you need to know essentially and kickstart your journey into online presence. Let me know your thoughts about SiteGround. Let me also know if there is any other provider that you have used and your views on the same. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. We'll continue to bring you more useful apps which you can start integrating your projects, your company, and help you grow. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.